Hey guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese sugar cake. This is a request from one of my subscribers by the name of, I think it's Menzi Bakiri, I think so. Sorry if I call your name wrong. Anyway guys, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese sugar cake, my version, my way. And I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And I upload video for the month of October. I will be uploading video every single day. Alright, sometimes twice a day. So look out for a video from me every day. Alright, so guys, keep your notification on. Alright, and if you guys would like to follow me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton, right? And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish I will leave in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys also to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Don't skip the ads, pretty please. Okay, and also in my description box down below I'm gonna put a few of my playlists so you guys can go check it out and run those numbers up. Thank you very much. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese sugar cake, my way, my version. Alright, so here goes. Hey guys, today we'll be making some Guyanese sugar cake. So over here I have some white sugar, milk, vanilla essence, nutmeg, cinnamon stick, grated ginger, grated coconut, and we have some yellow food coloring. You could use any food coloring you want, but today I'm going to use yellow because that's the only one that I have in my house right now. Alright, so let's get started. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is pour in my milk in the pot, just like this. And you're going to put in your cinnamon stick, ginger, and nutmeg, and we're gonna stir it up just like this. So now guys, we're gonna pour in our sugar and vanilla essence. And we're going to stir this up. Stir up the sugar into the milk and let the sugar dissolve. Right? If you don't have milk, you can also use water, but I prefer to use milk in my sugar cake because it gives the sugar cake a milky, sweet flavor. Yeah, instead of just using the plain water, I prefer using milk. So anyone you can use. Alright guys, so you're gonna keep stirring this until the sugar dissolves. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my milk has come to a boil here, so you're gonna stir it up here just like this, and you're gonna put in your food coloring now. If you have the liquid one, you can use the liquid one, but I have the powder one. So I'm just gonna put in the yellow here and just give it a stir just like this. Alright, I want it to be a little bit more darker yellow, so I'm gonna put some more yellow food coloring. Okay, I think that's enough, and we're gonna stir it in just like this. Perfect. So now guys, you're gonna pour in your coconut, your grated coconut. You're gonna pour it in and you're gonna give it a stir. Alright, just like this. And you have to keep stirring it constantly because you know you don't want it to burn this should take about 15 to 20 minutes, so we'll be back. So this has been boiling on low heat for about 7 minutes, so I'm going to put it on medium heat now and to continue to stir it. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, this has been 20 minutes, so this is the consistency here. Actually near finished, so I'm just going to let it boil for another minute or so. And then I'm going to put mine in my cookie pan instead. Yeah, I oil my cookie pan, so I'm going to put my sugar cake in my cookie pan. Alright guys, so I'm just mix it up for like a minute more and I'll show you guys the next step, so we'll be back. Alright, so my sugar cake is done here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out my cinnamon stick here, and also I'm going to turn off my stove, and we're going to put it in the cookie pan now. Oops, I have a scoop here, so I'm going to scoop it. Like I've been trying to do this with one hand. I'm going to scoop it here and put it into the cookie pan here. Okay. Okay, another scoop here. Put it into the cookie pan here. Alright, so I'll do the rest off camera and we'll be back with the end results. Alright guys, so my sugar cake is in my cupcake pan here, so when it's dry and harden up a little bit more, I'll taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese sugar cake. So here is my sugar cake, guys. So I'm gonna taste this on camera and let you guys see. Oh my god, all this sugar is not good for me. I'm trying to lose some weight, guys. I'm not trying to put on. Anyway, I'm gonna taste a little piece on camera and let you guys see. So this is the sugar cake here, guys. So here you go. Wow. Okay, baby, you go with it. This sugar cake is so delicious. It's milky, it's sweet, and have a lot of flavor inside of it. Alright guys, so you guys really need to try this recipe, and when you do, you can leave a comment down below as well. Alright, and wow, it's so good. And guys, if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the ads at the end of the video as well too. Alright, and don't forget to follow me on my other channel, Natural Afton, and all these measurements and ingredients for this Guyanese sugar cake will be in the description box down below. Alright guys, take care and have a blessed night. Bye.